grammar of Hodo nani nani nine. The last moment we already learned about the grammar of Hodo, but in this grammar they put 8 by 9. The grammar of Hodo nani nani nine is mean is not as something as something. So how to use? In Japanese, they will use the noun plus Hodo and end by the verb in negative form, such as night form. Or we can end by the adjective in night form. So for before the Hodo, they use just the last moment that we learned that noun plus Hodo. But after Hodo, we should end the sentence by negative form. If we use verb, should be the verb in negative form. If we use an adjective, should change the adjective to be the negative form. And it means it's not as something as. So to make more understand about how to use this grammar, let's go to learn the detail together. 彼女ほど優しい人はいない。彼女ほど優しい人はいない。彼女ほど優しい人はいない is mean there is no one as kind as her. There is no one as kind as her. This means you compare somebody to another body, but nothing evident that to prove, but just from your opinion that you feeling that that person is really kind and nobody else is kind like her. The next, 英語の文法は日本語ほど難しくありません。英語の文法は日本語ほど難しくありません。Which means English grammar is not as difficult as Japanese grammar. English grammar is not as difficult as Japanese grammar. You see that for the first sentence they will use Hodo and nani nani end by 9. For the first sentence they use E9. This means in the have or have not, something like this. E9 is mean nobody. E must, they mean has. There is something, there is someone, there is somebody. And for the second sentence, you see that Hodo and end by arimasen. Arimasen is the negative form of E9. But arimasen is mean we use with the something that no life, such as grammar or something that no is not animate, something like this, such as thing, grammar or computer or table, something like this. They use arimasen. So the next, 東京ほど家賃の高いところはない。東京ほど家賃の高いところはない。Which means no city has higher rent than Tokyo. No city has higher rent than Tokyo. 彼ほど頭のいい人はいない。彼ほど頭のいい人はいない。There is nobody as clever as he is. There is nobody as clever as he is.